So how do you use Discord? So in simple terms, Discord is just a hangout platform. So you can create an account and connect with friends. So in your browser, you search Discord, and then you can either download it or open it in your browser. I prefer the second option because it means I don't have to use more space in my PC, for instance. So once you go to Discord, open in web browser, you can then log in. Usually you have the option to log in. So let's wait for that to load. So once you've logged in, now in my case I already have an account and I had signed up, but if you've not, you'll be asked to sign up, and then you'll be sent a verification link through the email address that you'll have used to sign up. Then once you've signed up, you'll have a layout like this. It might appear confusing at times, but once you've used it for a short while, then you'll get to just find it interesting. So you have your channels on the left hand side. So up at the top we have direct messages first. So if I click on direct messages, then I'll find conversations or messages sent directly to me. And then I have channels on the left, maybe some channels that I've already joined. So I can just click on one of those and see what I have. So if I click on that, it's supposed to load. So these are the channels that I've joined. One is an software engineering organization. So in this case, you can get a few things, events. You can browse channels within this the one that you've just opened. Then you just view anything that you require, that you need, from messages sent to you or messages sent on different channels that are noted by hash symbol. Apart from viewing these channels here, I can add a server if I intend to create another server apart from these two. Actually, these are called servers, not channels. Channels are within the servers that we have. So if I want to create my own server, or I want to add a server from elsewhere, just tap on the plus icon and add that. Then I can explore discoverable servers, ones that are maybe open or readily available, and then I can also opt to download apps that make my experience within this website easy, or maybe a bit smooth. So other things that I can do, let me just say I open this here. Let me just go to one channel, for instance, and just go to this and view some of my maybe colleagues' messages from here. So I can scroll down, read messages. You notice there are reactions to messages. You can tap that to react with the similar that, or you can add a reaction that does not exist. So if I just wanted to react with this, I just tap that. If I wanted to add a new reaction, I tap on that, and then I'll be taken to a place where I can find more reactions that I would like to add to that, which can either be emojis or people, or lots other things. That's on engaging. So apart from that, I can type here. You don't have permission to send messages to this channel, probably because I've been out of this program. Not quite sure. The announcements are created by officials, I guess. But if I want to maybe just speak, I think in the community channel, for instance, I can write a message. Let me just look for maybe socials, or generally, let me just take the social channel, for instance, and see what happens. So here I have the ability to post messages, so I can share. Let's just say subscribe to my YouTube channel, for instance. Then I'll add the channel name, or I can just add, I don't have to add the HTTP, I can just add the shortened link. Then now this, if I share that, it will appear in the chats or in the messages. So I can engage with already posted content, like, comment, and any other thing that I would like to do here. So the real voice channels, I can create one. I can view existing voice channels. So for example, if I wanted to maybe unmute and speak in one of the voice channels, just tap that and it will have been shared. So this is something that you don't have to rush yourself on it. You just need to take your time and study how to use this, every part of it. The more you use it, the more interesting you'll find it is to hang out and talk with peers and friends and even create. So that's how you use Discord. It might not be an in-depth tutorial, but it gives you a basic overview of how to use this application on the web without downloading it, and how to interact and hang out with friends. So you take your time to view this, every single feature of this. See the friends and see the direct messages. You can add a friend, you can search them whether they're on Discord, and then you can send them a request, and then they can accept your request and start engaging with you. You can also do a group DM, so you'll have time to explore some of this thing. So if you find this video helpful, give it a like, share it with a friend. Don't forget to subscribe for our next video, which will be on Slack, how to use Slack. Thanks for watching. Until next time, see you.